Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. This is Raleigh here. We're in the month of January in the new year 2018, and this is a new video in which I am doing, in which I had preempted you in one of my videos before that I would have been doing this. So I've been feeding my fish this morning, right? It's Friday, as you all know by now if you have been watching my video. I'm a high school teacher, and I was on holiday for the past 3 weeks, so I've been doing a lot of videos, and sometimes they come out of my cycle. Starting Monday the 8th, you will get the usual videos from Monday to Sunday, coming out 5 a.m. every morning, so you can check for that. Right, one video each day. Now I've been giving you like 2 videos, 3 videos some of the time during the holiday period. I was at home, but now I'm not at home. Well, no, I'm not going to be at home as of the 8th because I'll be going back to work, so I'll be spending less time around this area. But today that's not the emphasis. Today I'm just taking about 3 minutes to share with you something in which I had said that would have happened, that have actually happened. So stay with me while I show you. So as you all know, I love my chromides and I admire them. They are a cichlid, that I will regard as a docile cichlid, not aggressive like the Oscar or the Jack Dempsey or the Severum, right? But one of the things in which I admire about them is the fact that they take care of their young, right? For the past couple of videos I've been showing you that they actually spawn twice in this pond, right? And I took them out because I realized that the first spawn actually ate the second spawn, right? So they spawned 2 times since I've had them. Now I placed them in this pond, and I shared with you in several clips that they were like nipping at my fingers because I suspected that eggs existed within the pond. They dug the holes and they buried the eggs in there. Okay, so I've been feeding my fish, and I've actually seen them. I've actually seen the fries. They have actually moved because they were not at this location prior. They were around up by the front, up by the top, so I could have actually seen them very nicely. But as usual, chromide lay between 150 to 200 eggs, which eventually become fries, right? Now for those persons who have watched my video on algae, we realize the importance of algae here. Now my fries, the fries for my chromides, are actually feasting on the algae that is within the pond at the sides, right? And the parent spot me actually taking up the fries in her mouth and placing her lower down, right? I'm gonna try and see if I can get some more pics probably over the weekend before I publish this video, so you probably can see them a little bit closer. Temperature is so cool. I'm trying to see if I can get what I really wanted to see. These are my chromides with their parent, right? The parent is actually moving them. That's it. They always move them whenever they actually see me, right? There are about 150 of them. If you look at the side of the drum, the container, you will see the chromide fries, right? The lighter chromide is the female, the darker one is the man, is the male, right? And both of them guard the nest and the fries. Okay, I'm looking for the fries. That's for my chromide. This is the 3rd spawn since I bought them some 3-4 months ago. Last time I came out here, the parents, wow, the water is looking so cloudy. I don't know what's happening. Oh yeah, here they are. I hope the glare on the water doesn't disrupt the view. These are my chromides. This is my 3rd spawn since I've actually gotten them, right? They, as usual, the parent will actually stay guard and if I should actually come by, it will actually hold my finger and bite it, protecting the child, right? So it's nipping at my finger, like a warning shot, hey, stay away, right? So that's with my chromides. Seems as if rain is gonna fall. My ponds are actually at the right level. Those that would actually be a problem would be this chromide pond. As you can see, the water level is about this, and I don't think that amount of rainfall will occur. I think I might have to siphon out this pond. And that's it for Fish Keeping Jamaica. I'm back to my one video a day. I hope that you enjoyed the multiple videos in which I did, but I have to go to work. But I do enjoy doing this, and I promise you that the one video per day will not disappoint you, and I'll keep doing what I'm doing, and there's a surprise waiting for next couple of months. I'll be doing something that will allow you to actually view my fish. Stay tuned. Raleigh here, Fish Keeping Jamaica. Alright, bless.